So on number 11, it says find the center, and we're given standard form here, so we want to think inside opposite. So the center here is going to have opposite of 6 would be negative 6, opposite of negative 5 would be positive 5. That's my center. The radius is going to equal the square root of this number here on the right, because this is supposed to be r squared. So if we take the square root of 196, that's going to give me 14. So when it asks for the area of the circle, area is going to be pi r squared. So we plug in that new r that we just found, so pi 14 squared, which gives me 196 pi units squared. So on number 14, when it says find the center, that's not exactly in the right form. We want to put it in standard form. So we're going to group the x's, so x squared minus 6x, and then we'll leave a space. Add it to y squared plus 10y, leave a little space, and then we're going to move that 15 to the right by adding it to both sides. Now let's complete the square. So divide this by 2 and square it. So negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. What you add to one side of the equation, you add to the other. Then we do it again. So we have 10 divided by 2, which is 5. Take 5 times 5, which is 25, so you're going to add 25 to both sides of the equation. So now we can factor this, so that's going to be x minus 3 squared. Added to factor this, y plus 5 squared is equal to 15 plus 9 plus 25, which is 49. So when it says to find the radius here, radius is going to be equal to the square root of that, because remember that's r squared. So square root of 49 is 7. So when it says find the circumference, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So plug it in, 2 pi 7, which makes it 14 pi units for my circumference.